Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, a faculty in Master Degree in Public Administration in Indira Gandhi Open University for the last 30 years. Today, I have taken one of the subjects in the second year courses of Master Degree in Public Administration, and it is electronic governance. And in the meantime, I just want to inform that they have first year courses where 4 subjects are there, and they have second year courses where 7 subjects are there with optionals to be chosen by the students. In the first year courses, we have MPA 11 State, Society and Public Administration, which is compulsory, MPA 12 Administrative Theory, compulsory, Public Systems Management, compulsory, and Human Resource Management, compulsory. In the second year courses, we have Public Policy and Analysis, which is compulsory, Decentralization and Local Governance, which is compulsory, MPA 17 Electronic Governance, which is optional, Disaster Management, which is optional, and Research Methodology and Methods, optional, India Democracy and Development, optional, and MPAP 002 Project Work, optional. So, I have just taken one of the papers, as I told you, MPA 17, and I am just going through the syllabus of MPA 17 Electronic Governance, and the marks that are going to be allotted for this subject is only 50 marks, where the students are supposed to answer only in 400 words for every question that is likely to be asked, and they will have 5 questions to be selected among section 1 and section 2, and in due course I am going to present you the question paper that is going to be there. And here I am going to give you the syllabus of electronic governance, where it has got 15 units. Unit 1 is concept and significance of e-governance. Unit 2, concept and components of information and communication technology. Unit 3, applications of ICT in governance. Unit 4, role of ICT in governance. Unit 5, role of e-governance in administration. Unit 6, reforms in bureaucratic culture. Unit 7, applications in local self-government. Unit 8, rural development programs and ICT. Unit 9, application of e-governance in educational programs, training and research. Unit 10, e-governance and economic development. Unit 11, citizen and government interface. Unit 12, projects and experiments at national level. Unit 13, projects and experiments at state level. Unit 14, challenges to e-governance. And the last unit, 15, is on information policy. As I already told you, I have taken one of the question papers of e-governance of June 2011, and the questions are to be answered in 400 words, and the questions are to be chosen 2 from the first section and 3 from the section, or otherwise vice versa. And now I will read out the questions. Satellites are important components of ICT. Comment. Discuss the essential components for ICT implementation in administration. Highlight ICT applications in agricultural development. Examine the role and significance of ICT in human empowerment. Explain the basic feature of the EduSat initiative of Government of India. In section 2, elaborate the technical and non-technical limitations in the effective implementation of electronic commerce in India, discuss the measures initiated by Indian Railways to ensure cyber security, discuss the important services offered through eSeva project, evaluate the implementation of Right to Information Act 2005 in India, write short notes on the following in about 200 words each: alpha migration in Indian Railways and electronic trading systems. So I would answer one of these questions in my next video. Thank you. All the best.